We have a new standard. Our standard is going to be standard 1.3, which is gather and make sense of information to describe synthetic materials. What are synthetic materials? Okay, let's distinguish what we consider synthetic versus non-synthetic. So today, we're only going to focus on what is synthetic and what is natural. Okay, so what about dirt? Would that be considered natural or synthetic? Natural. Why do you think it would be considered natural? Wait, Giannis. Okay, it's one with the earth. It's one way to put it. Moises? Synthetic is dirt made where? Earth, but is synthetic made in the earth?
No.
Okay.
Yes, it is.
Yeah, it is.
Yes, I do.
What is this?
Synthetic.
Plastic. Is plastic natural or synthetic? Synthetic. Is it made from the earth? No. This is my example of a clay pot.
Made it.
So is clay, this is also clay, is clay synthetic or non-synthetic? Oh, I have some differences.
What is it called?
Clay,
It's synthetic.
is it natural or synthetic?
I guess it's like a mixture. Because water.
Possibly.
People do
They
stuff
like
too.
water.
No.
Like,
Yeah.
they use like
Gentlemen,
like
I'm trying to listen to what Rayman's saying. Dirt, okay. Think of like back in maybe Indians or Aborigine people, they would use clay for what? To create pots. So where did they have factories that created clay for them? Where did they get the clay?
Yeah.
Like deep within the earth, like they would dig holes or whatnot and they'd find the clay. I understand this one is a colored clay. We find blue clay like this in our natural environment. No, but the idea of clay is natural. I didn't have like natural clay with me. I have this is more like pottery. Like it could also be plaster, not necessarily clay. But I have a version of clay here. Okay. So what I would like you to do is, just like we did with our chemical reactions, you're going to circle if it's synthetic or not synthetic. Based on that, I want you to determine what does synthetic mean. You're going to need to give me a definition of synthetic material based on what you discovered here with our examples. Okay, then we're going to do research on internets, netbooks, so on and so forth, textbooks, to determine whether or not our hypothesis, our educated guess of what synthetic materials was correct. Just like you did with chemical reactions, correct? Deal? Okay, any questions? No. I would like this to be an independent activity, meaning you are working on your own. That is my expectation. Then we will work in a group setting as we research what synthetic materials are. So use your knowledge of clay, soil, plastic. Oh, what's this? Wood. Do you think wood is synthetic or natural?
Natural.
Natural. Okay. So synthetic or non-synthetic, you'd say yes or no. Okay. So yes or no, synthetic. No, because it would be considered natural. Okay. So use your knowledge of what these are, what determines something to be synthetic or not, to create a definition. I'm repeating myself. Any questions?